Alright, what up, y'all? So, welcome back. I don't know if you saw the last couple videos, but we did the full exhaust on the Camaro, and it's a crazy project, but I'm kind of bit by the bug now. So, I might get to doing some more performance-oriented stuff within the next couple weeks. So, if y'all want to see that, stick around. But yeah, I think it's about time. I still gotta. Really, this is running. I got to get that New Balance I put on. I'm going with, I think it's ATI, something like that. I don't know. I hadn't looked at it in a minute, but whatever that is, probably getting that in a couple weeks. Get this balancer replaced so I can get this comfortably back on the road. I've been driving it kind of on and off, just nowhere far or anything. So once I get that swapped out, this will be good to do whatever I want to do with it and not have to be as careful about it. But that'll be happening. Not exactly sure, but it might take a minute for that, but it's coming. If you want to watch the video of changing these valve covers out with valve cover gaskets, that happened a while ago. So, if you missed it, you can go back to that. That'll be on here. Not quite sure what else I gotta do on this, or how far I want to go and how soon, but definitely the pulley getting swapped out to get it back being aggressive and driving how I want to drive. Got to get new brakes, so that'll be something. And I think I'm gonna go ahead and get these new corner lights while I'm at it. One of these keeps going out for whatever reason, so I'm just gonna replace them, the whole deal, because this one is cracked a little bit and this one is cracked a lot, I believe. Yeah, so it's got a few cracks in it, but weird scuff. So those will be swapped out soon enough. Still got these going on. These are pretty much almost done, so I just gotta hand sand some of these in this little curve right here. Same deal with this, and then power sand the rest of this to get this relatively smooth. And there's still some little pinholes in here, which let's see, stuff like that. So the little pinholes, instead of mixing a full batch of this, which is fast dry, which dries just as fast as it says, but instead of doing that just for the pinholes, I got some of this glazing putty. So gonna be using the glazing putty to fill in the little small imperfections, like little stuff like that. So that should clear all of that up. And like I said, maybe I got time today, so I could probably at least get this sanded down and primed and ready for the glazing putty probably tonight. And after that, prime it one more time and we should be good to go. And I don't know when the actual install for these will be, but maybe next week or week after. I'm not actually sure, but these are, for the most part, other than some sanding, pretty much done, nice and sturdy. I think this is 3.5, maybe 4 layers of fiberglass. Like some of the stronger points I didn't do as many layers. Like, I don't know, maybe in this little section right here, because this is pretty much right on top of the plastic from the original door panel. So not really much needed in certain spots for strength because of that. And as you can see, all of this is pretty much one piece. So the way it was before, which I'll show you on this door, it was a little groove at the edge. So this little indentation, so all I did was just fill this in with Bondo to kind of smooth it out, to give it one smooth transition. So it'll just look like it's nothing extra, like it just came that way. But I that's what's going on. So stick around, and I don't know, there might be some new stuff coming up real soon. Also, if you missed it, I'm doing like a kind of basic car tips tutorial deal or whatever. It's gonna be aside from the usual video. So if you see something like that and it's a little not really what you came for, you know, it's not for you. It's for everybody else. So if you know anybody that needs some tips or anything, you see something popping up, just send them a link to the video. Let them learn some of the basics. But that's it, and stick around for the next video, which will probably be these doors getting finished up.